Lawrence spent the winter of 1923 on the Del Monte Ranch as tenants of the Hawke family. On his return to the Lobo Mountains in 1924, he gets in contact with William Hawke for a wagon load of timber to begin work on the 160-acre ranch gifted to Frida by Mabel Dodge Luen. Luen is also good for tools and supplies, so he can begin work on plastering a new chimney. Lawrence loves hard graft and signs off his letter to Luen with, "Been a very busy day, very satisfactory." Luen wants to keep Lawrence happy because she still hopes he will record the lives of the Pueblo Indians, so she sends him some topical reading in the form of The Delight Makers by the anthropologist and explorer Adolf Bandelier. Lawrence is in his element at an altitude of 8,600 feet. He's got 4 horses, a 2-room cabin for Mabel, a 1-roomer for Brett, and, with 3 Indians and a Mexican carpenter, he begins work on a 3-room log cabin for him and Frida. No wonder Jeff Dyer claimed Lawrence was, perhaps, the first great DIYer in English literature. But the graft takes its toll. "I don't write when I slave building the house. My arms feel so heavy, like a navvy's, though they look as thin as ever." The isolation of cabin life has left him detached from the world. He's not seen a newspaper for 2 months. He's replaced paper and pen for hammer and trowel, and is only interested in disappearing into the big unbroken spaces round me that are almost Arcadian. What I really love about Lawrence is his lack of interest in possessions. He just likes making home, and as he will only be here for the summer, hopes to find someone who might enjoy the fruits of his endeavour when he leaves, so that the place needn't be abandoned in the winter. His letters in May are full of the colours of spring, and you can feel him awakening too. He does this by connecting to the natural rhythms of his immediate environment. The sun is setting, the pines are red, the Indians have just started drumming. Not for the first time, he is happiest when right away from the world.